What is change? Mr. Cage coming to you from Divine Works Education and Training, where we transform lives through the discovery of your true identity. Now this word change is a word that we use loosely in our society. Many of us feel as though we went through the process of change, especially my young people, those people that have graduated high school or are getting ready to graduate, those people who have also went through different employability and career preparation programs. When we walk across the stage, we have a sense of achievement and accomplishment, but we also believe, and I really do believe, that we think we've experienced change. My question to anybody watching this video, whether you're a parent, educator, or young person, do we really believe that we've experienced authentic change? And like I said before, society uses the word change loosely. Many times we identify change by the items that we add to our life. When you think about those pieces, you think about the career, the house, the car, money, so on and so forth. When we add dollar signs to our bank account, we feel a sense of accomplishment. But accomplishment is not change. Oftentimes, accomplishment can be reflective of addition. When you think about the word addition and you define it, you think about something being added to something else or something being added to someone. When this happens, like I said before, we have this sense of accomplishment, and our accomplishments transform into our identity. In many circles, people are performance-based and they're accomplishment-centered, and these take hold in the 3 P's. The 3 P's are pleasures, positions, and possessions. Possessions, easy one, the things that I own. Pleasures, how I feel, things that I want. Positions, job, career. Success as a symbol of prestige. When the 3 P's become our identity, it is difficult for us to separate ourselves from these things, which hinders the transformation of our true identity. And in fact, we feel as though these items are reflective of change. So my thought for us to consider is, number 1, understand that addition is accomplishment. Number 2, we need to understand that our who is more important than our what. Our who is our identity. Our what is our profession, what we're known to do in society, in the marketplace. Our what should not be more important than our who. If this be the case, then our who, which is our identity, will remain underdeveloped. And so these are different things that we need to consider as we think about the topic of change. Have I really went from the caterpillar to the butterfly, or am I adding possessions, pleasures, and positions, cars, clothes, money, and career? Am I adding these items to my life without going through the process of change? And I'll leave you with this. If we live that as a truth in our lives, it's going to be very difficult for us to change as a person, and we can impart that to our young people, to our friends, to our family, co-workers, and they can get a misunderstanding of what transformation or change looks like. This is Mr. Cage coming to you, talking about change, talking about transformation. We are Divine Works Education and Training, where we transform lives through the discovery of our true identities.